We got to start with Nvidia, ticker NVDA. Their shares have been up more than 3%. So they're on track to become the world's first $5 trillion public company.
Yeah.
What it has to do with, it's Blackwell chips. So if you remember, months ago, right, President Trump said he'd consider allowing the company to export the downgraded version of them to China. Well, now, just ahead of this meeting he has with Xi Jinping, he says, quote, we'll be speaking about Blackwell. So NVIDIA is also hosting this conference, a GTC event in D.C. It announced a number of things, right? New partnerships with companies like Uber, Palantir, CrowdStrike. It said it's taking a $1 billion equity stake in Nokia. It unveiled this. Oh, you're going to love this part, Tom. A new system to connect quantum computers with AI chips.
Okay, I still don't know what quantum computer is.
I know.
I flunked that in school. Paul, the PE is 59.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And the new earnings view brings the PE down because the denominator goes up, down to 44. I don't think I've ever seen that.
And if you go on the January 27, so the calendar year 26 estimates, that multiple comes down to something in the low 30s.
Exactly. I was going to say take away 14, 31, 32.
The bulls say this is a company that's earning its way into its valuation. And bless them,
to
they've
that.
been right.
Sounds like a sales call to me.
Sounds like
Next.
All right, I have to go to this fintech company, Fiserv, okay? It's tumbling. I looked latest now, nearly down 40%. It's crazy. So they do payment processing, digital banking solutions. They slashed their outlook for full year earnings, reported a 3% decline in revenue in its financial solutions segment. CEO said, you know what? I know our performance is not where it should be, nor where stakeholders expect it to be. They're overhauling top leadership committee. They're promoting their chief operating officer to co-president. They announced a few board additions too. But the stock has fallen 39% this year through Tuesday. So really not good for Fiserv.
Yep. That's fintech. So, I mean, it's just been all over the place.
You said Pfizer. It's not the drug company.
No.
It's
Fiserv. Yes.
Yep.
Ticker Fiserv. Fiserv.
It's a big company too, but it's a tough day in the marketplace today. All right, what else we got?
Who's having a good time? It's Caterpillar.
Yep.
Ticker
Cat.
CAT. Yes, love cat.
Stock.
Yes.
Up as much as 4%. So posted high third quarter revenue. But the interesting thing is that it got a boost from energy and transportation business because you have rising demand for equipment needed to fuel AI data centers. And that's what's driving them because they provide the battery storage, the backup generators for industries. And that's going to be big for these AI data centers.
The CAT is a data center play.
It's because they have the backup generators that can help power something like that.
Yeah, but also you need the bulldozers to build the thing.
I don't know.
That too. But it's doing better than that segment that does the bulldozers.
Singer most, you're an old fossil, Tom Keene statistic on the Bloomberg. In the last 10 years, Caterpillar is up 23.8% per year.
Wow.
Paul?
Didn't see that coming.
After the third beverage of my choice 10 years ago, I would have said literally over my dead body.
Sure.
It would
This
never,
is a GDP kind of company.
Ever occur.
Yep. Stock's up 45% year to date.
Now they're building data centers.
Yep, sure.
Okay. Do you have anything else? Do you want to squeeze one more in here?
The quick tariff impacts from it. It said it expects a record $650 million to $800 million in tariff costs in the fourth quarter. So taking a big tariff impact too.
But 524 and it's 557.
Yep.
Why am I in the triple leveraged all cash fund?
Sleep well at night.
I sleep well at night.